Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for your LLC online. First, you'll want to understand the advantages an LLC offers, like personal liability protection. Next, select a distinctive business name and verify its availability with your state's Secretary of State. Finally, collect all required details, such as your business address and registered agent information, to ensure a smooth application process. This preparation saves time and prevents common errors. Once you're ready, designate a registered agent with a physical address in the state where you're forming your LLC. This agent receives legal and tax documents for you. Then, file your articles of organization, sometimes called a certificate of formation, with the appropriate state agency. After state approval, apply for an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is crucial for tax purposes and opening a business bank account. After your LLC is officially formed, draft an operating agreement. This vital document defines ownership percentages, member responsibilities, and how profits and losses are distributed. Next, open a separate business bank account to keep your personal and business finances distinct, which is essential for liability protection. Finally, familiarize yourself with your state's ongoing compliance requirements, such as annual reports or fees, to maintain good standing. As you finalize your LLC, consider seeking professional legal or accounting advice, especially if your business structure is complex or involves multiple members. Many online services can also streamline the application process for a fee, offering convenience and expertise. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Taking these steps ensures your LLC is set up correctly and ready for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.